Nice on a belt.
Uncle D.
Don't hurt yourself.
Okay.
Uncle D used to wear pants like that.
Up off your hand.
But on purpose.
Good job.
Go.
Jack, where's Uncle Debo? Where is he?
Where does he live?
Is he in New York?
Where is he?
Where does Nana and Papa live?
No, you will go inside.
Ooh, you started to move.
Where do Nana and Papa live?
Yeah. Petaluma.
Okay, you're going inside.
Where
Get out of the bath.
does Jack live?
In high school.
Where does Jack live?
Not yet.
Where does
Hey, Betty.
Jack live?
Here we go.
How about we have to keep these two apart.
Hey, buddy.
Santa Rosa?
Jack.
Can you give a
We'll
love?
run. Oh, whoa, whoa, there they go.
Get him!
Look at her butt. Oh my
Look
god.
at his butt.
Let's push his knees.
You win.
Do ready, set, go.
Everybody wins. Yay!
Now, big hug.
Big hug.
Big hug.
Big hug.
Right, big hug.
Big hug.
Give him a big hug. Can you give him a big kiss? Give him a big kiss.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, another one.
You got soft lips, Jack. Woo! Good job,
Whoa.
guys.
Okay, you ready to come inside?
Give Caitlin another kiss. Give Jack another kiss, Caitlin.
Don't cough in his face. Okay, you ready to get